Good writers don't write perfect first drafts. They edit ruthlessly. AI is your personal editor that never gets tired, never judges you, and actually helps you learn. Let me show you. Think of AI like having a Grammarly or a style coach or a writing professor combined all for free. What AI can fix? It can fix your grammars and spelling, clarity and conciseness, tone adjustments, formal to casual, harsh to kind, wordiness and redundancy, passive voice problems, flow and structure issues. And the best part, it explains why something is wrong so you actually learn and improve. There are three editing levels. One is basic grammar and spelling corrections. The second is intermediate, clarity, conciseness, readability. And the third is advanced, which corrects your style, tone, impact, and persuasion. Today we'll cover all three. Let's dive into the demo. So the first demo is to see how to fix basic grammar mistakes. So here is my prompt. Fix all grammar and spelling errors in the text and explain what was wrong. Me and my team has been working on the marketing project for 3 weeks now, and we was able to complete it despite of many challenges we faced during the process period. Now let's see how AI corrects it. The corrected sentence: my team and I have been working on the marketing project for 3 weeks now, and we were able to complete it despite the many challenges we faced during the process. And it is also giving you explanations. Me and my team becomes my team and I. Has been working becomes have been working. We was able to complete it becomes we were able to complete it. And it does give you examples why we takes were not was. Despite of becomes despite. Many challenge become many challenges. It becomes a plural noun. During the process period becomes during the process. Added a comma after now. Now the second example is to improve clarity. So in this I will use this prompt, make the sentence clearer and more concise without losing meaning. In light of the fact we are currently experiencing a situation where our inventory levels are not at the point where they should optimally be, it would be highly advisable for us to take appropriate actions to rectify this matter. Now let's improve the clarity of this message. Since our inventory levels are below optimally, we should take prompt action to correct the issue. See the difference? Now the third demo is to adjust the tone. So we'll use this prompt. I wrote this email, but it sounds too harsh and might damage the relationship. And I use this a lot when I'm writing emails, because when writing emails in the corporate world, you may tend to get emotional, and AI helps you modulate the emotional content in the emails. Make it more diplomatic and professional while keeping the core message clear. Your report was late again. This is the third time this month, and it's completely unacceptable. I need it by tomorrow morning, or there will be serious consequences. So we are adjusting the tone in this demo. Now, based on the output that we got three options. We can be firm and professional, which is recommended by AI. The second is concise and formal, and third is collaborative but firm. So you can read the different outputs. You can use whichever one that works for you. If you want AI to give you even more different tones, you can ask AI for the kind of tone you're looking for. The fourth demo is to make content which engages the reader. So the prompt we'll use is the description is accurate but boring. Make it more engaging, vivid, and interesting to read. The sunset was nice to watch. The colors in the sky were pretty, orange and pink. It made me feel relaxed and happy to see it. Now if you read the output, it's more vivid and engaging version of your description. The sunset painted in the sky in shades of fiery orange and soft pink, melting together like watercolor on a canvas. It's very poetic to the one that we wrote. I'm sure after seeing the demos, the sky is the limit. You could use this for creating content that's very engaging. I hope from the demo you see how powerful AI assistants are. Now, you keep these tips in mind. Power prompts for different needs. Style matching. Rewrite this in the style of, could be your favorite movie character, could be an author of a book that you like, or as simply as a friendly blog post. You can ask AI to generate content in the style that makes sense to you. The second is tone shifts. Make it more persuasive, empathetic, authoritative, playful, urgent, casual. Make it simplified. Remove all jargons and explain this so a 10-year-old would understand it. A structure. Reorganize this for better flow. Put the most important point first, then supporting details. Compression. If the message is too long, cut it by 50% without losing any key information or meaning. Expansion. The message is too brief. Add more detail, examples, and explanation to reach 500 words. Try these and watch your writing transform. Tip 1. Don't over edit. Sometimes simpler is better. AI might make things too fancy. Tip 2. Edit in passes. First grammar, then clarity, then tone, then style. Read it out loud after AI edits. Does this sound like you? Trust your voice. AI suggests, but you decide what sounds right. The common mistakes that people make: accepting every AI suggestion blindly. Some things are wrong by rules, but right for your voice. Keep your personality. Now the challenge in this video: find something you wrote that feels off. Could be an old email, social post, or document. Have AI improve it. Comment your before and after transformation. Now next video we will do meal planning, food planning, dinner planning, lunch planning and recipes. AI becomes your personal chef. Get ready for some tasty content. See you then.